What is a DPF? Diesel particulate filter. To meet the emissions, what comes out of the tailpipe, they had to add particulate filters. Here at Southeast Diesel, we clean them. We're a Deutz dealer. We clean the diesel particulate filters on any make and model of diesel engine. Here behind me, I've got a issue with the DPF because on the street sweeper, the way that it was set up, this heavy mount for this DPF, all this literally 50 to 100 pounds of bracketry to where this DPF sits on top of the head. The brackets broke the mounting bolts. When the street sweeper shuts off and starts or just vibrates, because it beats and bangs on parking lots all night, every night. We had to pull the head off because it's so shoehorned and jammed in behind a fan, you can't get to the bolts. So just to fix a DPF mounting bracket that was snapping exhaust pipes, setting codes, derating, we had to pull the diesel particulate filter off and the mounting bracket, pull the head off, get it set up, helicoil a bolt hole, drill and tap the other two out, and now we're going back together with it. Where we're a Deutz dealer, we got genuine Deutz head gaskets, we got all the right seals. On this 2.9, you have to pull the water pump off to pull the head off. So we're going back with new water pump seals. Soot enters the DPF on one side and refracts, sorta. There's cells in the diesel particulate filter, and it takes out that soot, and the soot builds up in them, and the engine has the exhaust system has a sensor before and after the filter, and it realizes when it's too full, and it will go into a regeneration, and the regeneration burns off the soot, turns to ash, and then it just literally disappears, or gets so small that the particles will pass through. It does after a certain amount of time. Certain manufacturers say that they're good forever, but there's no way anything mechanical is good forever. They will need to be pulled and brought to us. We're a DPF service center. We can bake and get the rest of that ash out or soot out of the particulate filter. We weigh and we flow each particulate filter when they come in. We bake them overnight, and then we pull them out and clean the mounting surfaces and get you new gaskets, because you got to have a tight seal on these DPFs or they're losing pressure, like this one was behind us. The main pipe going into it was cracked in half, so it's only getting like half the pressure it needs to regen itself. Otherwise it's going to soot up, and it's not seeing that it needs to regen, and the after sensor is going to see that after the particulate filter, and it's going to derate, not get its job done. Any questions on them, give us a call, message us, let us know how we can help you. Thank you.